Hi everyone, this is Nikhilesh Jha. In this video, I'm going to talk about some approaches that helped me score 760 or 99 percentile in GMAT, and then I will go over how you can use this video playlist in order to get started on your quant GMAT journey. First of all, getting a high score on GMAT is all about building good habits. For example, if you see the following question, what is 16.67% of 12, then you shouldn't have to take out a pen and paper. It should immediately pop in your head that 16.67 is 1/6, therefore 1/6 of 12 is going to be 2. Now, in the one of the best ways to build this habit is to learn how to learn. There is a really good course on Coursera, learning how to learn. One of the biggest topics or suggestions in that course is that you should take at least 20 minutes to really dive deep into a topic. The reason I bring it up is because this playlist is broken down into really small bite-sized pieces that you can consume even as you are traveling, but I wouldn't recommend that you just read it for 20 minutes here, 2 minutes here, 3 minutes there, because it takes a certain amount of time for the mind to really be immersed in a topic and make new neural connections. So whenever you sit down to do this video, try to allocate at least half an hour to go through them. The link for the course learning how to learn will be at the bottom of this video. Now about this playlist, I have covered the very basic fundamentals you need to know in order to solve quant questions up to ratios and proportions. However, they are very basic, and if you are someone who already has a decent grasp over math, there is an advanced playlist. Just move on over to that. One of the things that I would really recommend is that you absolutely try to solve questions for yourself before you watch the video with the explanation, because while you may watch the video and understand how I solve the problems, it won't necessarily translate into you being able to solve the problems on your own. You need to really struggle with the questions in order to build that ability. If you like these videos, please leave a like, subscribe, and share.